Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
Yeah, I think that was
55, 80.
Field traffic, parachute some jumpers away from 13,000. They'll be over the field for 5 minutes.
Daviess County traffic scaling 1 Bravo Mike's departing, 1-8 will be a straight out departure to the south, Daviess County. Okay, and we have 4,600 feet remaining. All right, 18, 18, green. Wheels are on the floor. Airspeed's alive. Firewall, 50. There's 55, back pressure. And we are in the sky. Okay, climbing at 80, clear of obstacles, flaps are going up.
French Lick traffic ends 5848 kilo is on a left midfield crosswind, runway 26, French Lick.
Okay, 1,000. There's it.
French Lick traffic ends 5848 kilo, turning left downwind, runway 26, French Lick.
Daviess County traffic scaling 1 Bravo Mike, say a mile south of the airport, 1,400 climbing, departing the area to the south-southwest, Daviess County, last call.
This is 5089er Golf and south of Carmi, Illinois Airport. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR. Station advisor.
Vicinity of Evansville Airport. Notice Cameron runway 9.
Following the possible 89er Golf.
Taxiway Delta 1 closed. Taxiway Charlie between golf and hotels and non-movement area and closed.
89er Golf. Roger. What's your destination?
Use caution for minute equipment.
We are headed to Marion and flight with Evansville 4,500. Cessna 172.
89er Golf. Register much.
Evansville approach, scaling 941 Bravo Mike, 6 miles southwest of Daviess County. We're currently 3,800, climbing 4,500, inbound landing into Evansville.
Number 1 Bravo Mike, squawk 0317.
0317, and it sounds like they're changing the ATIS, so we'll check in a minute.
Number 5089er Golf, squawk 6616.
6616, 89er Golf.
Number 1 Bravo Mike, radar contact 6 southwest Washington, Indiana Airport, 4,300. So make straight in runway 18 at Evansville. Evansville wind variable at 4, altimeter 3035.
Okay, 3035, straight in, runway 18, and the altitude checks, 941 Bravo Mike.
Airport information, Whiskey 1954 Zulu, wind variable at 3, visibility 10, sky conditions clear below 2000, temperature 2.0, altimeter 3036, ILS visual approaches in use, departing and landing runways 22 and 18, use caution for bird activity in the vicinity of Evansville Airport. Notice the airmen runways 9 and 27 are closed except for taxi. Taxiway Delta 1 is closed. Taxiway Charlie between taxiways Golf and Hotel is a non-movement area and closed to aircraft with greater than 50 feet wingspan. General aviation ramp has construction in progress.
And approach 1 Bravo Mike has Whiskey.
Over 1 Bravo Mike, roger.
Approach 1 Bravo Mike, we have the airport in sight.
Sound stripe.
That's the 1 Bravo Mike, did you say the Evansville Airport in sight?
That's affirmative. 1 Bravo Mike, we have the Evansville Airport in sight.
That's the 1 Bravo Mike, fake straight in runway 18, contact tower 118.7.
Okay, straight in 18 and tower 118.7, 941 Bravo Mike. Evansville Tower, Skyline 904, 1 Bravo Mike, 13 miles north of the field, straight in 18.
Skyline 1 Bravo Mike, good afternoon. Evansville Tower, runway 18, cleared to land.
18, cleared to land, 941 Bravo Mike.
Cirrus 4 Mike Foxtrot, exit on Golf, taxi to Tri-State on this frequency.
All right, call Tri-State, frequency 4 Mike Fox.